What's up everybody, it's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. Today I want to do a quick sneak peek review of the upcoming release of the brand new Insta360 One firmware. As you see here, on the left is in the current firmware 1.6.7, on the right is 1.6.8 and beta release. Not the official version yet, but it's the version for me to test right now. I'm actually attached the camera on my drone. To me, that is the most difficult test that any stabilization needs to pass, including the GoPro Fusion E or any other camera I test, because I'm attached the camera without a damper directly onto my camera, just like what I did for GoPro Fusion, and it's on a very windy day. And also I'm being a really bad pilot. As you see, I rubberly stopped the drone, so create that front and back shakiness, and then I turn the drone a lot to just like be a really bad pilot to really test out the stabilization. And as you clearly see on the left, the shakiness is make the footage unusable. You basically cannot use the Insta360 One current version to film any drone footage without a damper or some kind of extra stabilization, like using Mystica VR. But on the right is actually very promising. I think Insta360 One lived up to their promise for their brand new upcoming release of their firmware. The stabilization is buttery smooth, as you see the footage right here. Besides that exciting stabilization gonna come with the brand new firmware, Insta360 One on their brand new release on their iOS and Android app, also including feature like a cutout frame of the back lens, so you can really see yourself while you're filming in front for the free capture, just like the fancy feature Rylo had. Why not Insta360 One also have that feature? And also there's a brand new view that I'm very loving. It is actually the side-by-side top and bottom comparison between the front view of the camera and a tiny planet version of the video. This is a really interesting view that I really enjoy right now. So I am very excited to actually receive, wait for this official release of this brand new firmware. It's gonna release in the early March, so it's really coming up very soon. So I actually prefer to fly the Insta360 One instead of the GoPro Fusion for two very simple reasons. First is Insta360 One is a cheaper camera, so if I by accident drop my drone and my camera, I am not breaking a very expensive GoPro Fusion, so I will be less sad in that scenario. And then the second thing is Insta360 One is a way lighter camera than a GoPro Fusion, meaning that longer flight time for your drone and easier handle for your drone as well. So that's a two advantage of the Insta360 One that GoPro Fusion don't have. Hopefully you like this video. If you like it, give me a thumb up. If you want to see my actual full review when the new firmware is out, I will make a full detailed review of how to use the Insta360 One on the air with this brand new firmware. It's coming out after official release, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch that video.